Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add a blurred background here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the very first thing we want to do is figure out what media we'd like to have as our background. So let's go for this image. I'm going to drag and drop this and we can see because it is down at the bottom, we're going to have this as our background. Now we're going to click on the background, go up to effects and look up for blur. You can see I've already typed it in right here. I want to find the one that we'd most like to use. They all have different types, different gradients, for example. We're going to go for this one right here. Then I'm going to drag and drop this right here. You can see this is now made our background blurred. To make sure this stays as our background, we then want to find the media we'd like to go on top of that, for example. I'm going to grab this and put it on top. If I change the size of this, you can see it's been added on top of our blurred background. Make sure you have in this order, otherwise the blur will apply to everything below it. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.